in conversation with the key figure from rare earth industry, Mr. Deependra Singh, the chairperson and managing director of Indian Rare Earths Limited, IREL. In this exclusive interview, we'll talk about his leadership at IREL, his insights into the rare earth industry, and his vision for the company. Thank you for joining us today. For my first question, how important do you think rare earth resources are for India?
Rare earth resources are quite important for the country, but more than that, I think the utilization of the resources and utilization of the elements which are extracted, processed, and refined, that is even more important because that is the way the benefit will reach to the mass.
Do you think that mining these rare resources make us self-reliant or Atmanirbharta?
See, the rare earths are quite different from the bulk minerals. So, mining alone does not resolve the issue. It has to, beyond mining, it has to have a processing facility, the refining facility. Then you know that these rare earth resources are acting as a catalyst. They are used as a performance enhancer. So they have to be used as a chemical compound or in the form of alloy. Then only the benefit will be translated into the some real purpose or real application. If we just confine to elements alone, then the benefits of rare earth cannot be really means utilized or realized in day-to-day life.
For my second question, IREL has been the driving force behind the growth of many industries in India. What role do you think it plays in startup ecosystem?
Yeah, this is a very relevant question. Yes, it is true that REL is a driving force. The reason is we are working on a polymetallic deposit. So polymetallic deposit means when we mine, we get seven minerals, and then further when we crack one of that mineral called monazite, then we produce further more number of elements. So in totality, we produce something around 23 different type of products. So out of these 23, few are utilized by Department of Atomic Energy. Rest are having the economic values. So these something around 16 to 18 material goes to the industry as a commercial material, and the requirement is that they should be radioactivity free. So we do that, we provide it to the industry, and as a result, in India, about 2000 industries are operating who are depending on the material supplied by IREL.
You have been leading the company, so tell us something about your journey and experiences that have shaped your leadership at IREL.
Yeah, I have faced quite a bit challenging time right from beginning. I'm completing 8 years here. So when I took over, this company was somewhere around 350 crore turnover, and from there, not only we have to achieve the operational efficiency, also we have to work on the horizontal expansion, vertical expansion, ensure the availability of our own feed, that is called monazite, for our rare earth extraction plant. So this was a journey full of challenges. Every moment I have challenges from different sides, different corners, and also this sector was not very well known in the public. So there were a lot of misconception about the sector. So I have worked extensively in creating awareness also. So that was really part of my satisfaction.
What was the driving force behind your growth?
Uh, right from my childhood, I have the habit to excel. So somewhere where I can't satisfy the uh, people who are sitting opposite to me, I can't sit means silently. So in the process of excelling and providing satisfaction to the stakeholders, that is the thing which has driven all the way.
IREL deals with a diverse range of delicate products and has its plants all over India. So, what are the challenges that you face while managing the operations and working with such rare resources?
Yes. So I'll add one more thing in your question, that apart from diversity and other things, our plants are also located in the remote area. So we find difficulty in placing the manpower, finding talent, posting them there in itself is a means great challenge. Apart from that, every plant is based on a different kind of geological and geographical location, and therefore for each geological deposit we have to have a independent flow sheet. The work culture will be different, the accessibility will be different, the product is different. So finding and balancing out the consumption of the product is also a challenge in itself. So we have tried to do that in the way, since my background was also marketing, so I have a complete information about the whole ecosystem, starting from the mining up to the consumption of the product. So that information has helped me in placing right way, the right person, the right objectivity, and the right output.
What has been the impact of technological advancement in rare earth extraction and processing?
See, technological advancement is the requirement of any industry. It is having an incremental impact, and it is also the requirement of all the industry. And rare earth is not exception to it. So only thing we need to address, take the challenge, and means step by step we have to move forward. What is happening elsewhere, and then we need to adopt. Rather, we need to have a step forward. So we are keeping ourselves abreast, and almost all the executives we are providing a allowance so that they can update themselves professionally, and so that we are not behind in this scenario.
When we talk about technological advancement, one thing the world has realized is the concept of sustainability.
Yes.
How does IREL balance the extraction of rare earth metals with environment sustainability?
Yeah. So sustainability is inbuilt in mining operation, and because we are part of Department of Atomic Energy, so two things are inbuilt in atomic energy, which are the concept in other world which are coming up now. The first thing is self-reliance. So since department has been working on the basis of self-reliance right from beginning, this has been imbibed in IREL right from the beginning. Second thing is sustainability is also a imbibed activity within the department, because uh, all the radioactivities waste has to be disposed of as per the international standard. And also in the mining activity, ours is such that whatever area we mine, after extracting the minerals, the rest of the gang material are means sent back in the form of waste sand to the same topography, so that the land is filled and nothing is different after the mining. So these two concepts are very well built, imbibed within our system right from the beginning.
For my last question, reflecting on the significant milestones and achievements of IREL over the past year, what aspects of the company's growth bring you the most satisfaction, and what innovative strategies do you foresee implementing in the future?
So, after taking over, I have prepared a strategic corporate plan, and the thing which gives me the most satisfaction is that what I prepared in 2016, everything was achieved by 2020, and what was balanced, that was also achieved by now 2023. Some of the aspect which I set to be achieved by 23-24, I am happy to share that it has already been achieved, though the year is yet to complete. So this is the most satisfying aspect. And as far as strategies are concerned, we have worked on horizontal strategies, vertical strategies, diversification of product, extension of product line. So almost all the managerial concept or management oriented concept we have worked on and also realized. That is my most satisfying, means biggest satisfaction for me.
Thank you. It was indeed very insightful. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.